At the end of every efficient egg packing operation, one challenge remains: handling finished trays quickly, safely, and consistently. Because as production increases, manual palletizing quickly becomes a bottleneck. This is where the SANOVO Technology Group Stack Palletizer comes in. A fully automated solution designed to streamline your egg handling and remove the need for manual palletizing. With a capacity ranging from 40,000 to 80,000 eggs per hour, or 110 to 220 cases, the Stack Palletizer keeps pace with modern farm operations, ensuring a continuous and efficient workflow. Stacks of trays arrive from the packing line and are automatically transferred to the palletizing area. Here, the system lifts multiple stacks at a time and carefully places them onto the pallet. Layer by layer, the pallet is built with precision, typically in 5 to 6 layers, ensuring stability and optimal conditions for transport. By automating this process, the Stack Palletizer removes repetitive and physically demanding work. It improves consistency, reduces errors, and allows your team to focus on more valuable tasks across your operation. Designed for flexibility, the system handles both plastic and pulp trays, as well as dividers and pallets, adapting easily to your existing setup. Its compact footprint allows it to fit seamlessly into different farm layouts, even where space is limited. The system is built for reliable day-to-day operation. With a simple and robust design, maintenance is straightforward, helping you maximize uptime and keep production running smoothly. Configurations can be tailored to match your specific requirements, whether you're upgrading an existing line or planning for future growth. Simple, flexible, and reliable. The SANOVO Stack Palletizer supports your operation today and grows with you tomorrow. Explore how SANOVO can help optimize your egg handling process every step of the way.